Ready to set sail into the future? Let's dive into the world of autonomous cargo ships. Today, autonomous cargo ships are changing the face of global trade. Powered by wind rotors, solar sails, and hydrogen fuel cells, these vessels navigate the oceans all by themselves. AI drones predict the weather, robotic inspectors monitor hulls, and AI hubs coordinate routes to dodge any hazards. And when they reach ports, robotic cranes and self-driving trucks take over to handle the cargo. On-board augmented reality bridges display real-time data, while predictive algorithms optimize supply chains weeks in advance. Companies like Rolls-Royce and Kongsberg are already testing these innovations, with fully unmanned commercial ships expected to launch within 5 years. So get ready for a silent, sustainable revolution in maritime trade. This is the future of shipping, and it's already setting sail.